Welcome to JH. When I first saw the Ultralink free Wi-Fi router, I was almost tempted by the promise of free satellite internet everywhere with zero monthly fees. Because, as we all know, the best things in life are free, especially high-bandwidth orbital technology. After digging a bit deeper, the red flags started popping up faster than a whack-a-mole game. We're talking aggressive advertising, fake countdown timers, and limited stock, warnings designed to make you panic buy before you have time to use your brain. The site never actually explains how this magic box connects to satellites without a dish or any actual infrastructure, which is a neat trick considering satellite internet usually requires massive hardware and expensive contracts. Apparently, physics is just a suggestion to these marketing geniuses. The images are generic, the branding is non-existent, and the reviews are all a suspicious 5 stars with glowing feedback. It's truly a miracle. Not a single person in the history of this product had a bad day or a slow connection. Digging further into security blogs reveals the truth. This is a blatant scam. It's not a satellite router. It's likely just a cheap, marked-up plastic box that relies on SIM cards and mobile data, assuming it even works at all. There's zero transparency, and some users have even reported malware and data risks, which is exactly what you want from a device handling your private information. As one Reddit user pointed out, if the service costs nothing, you're probably the product being sold. Real feedback on Amazon sits at a depressing 1 or 2 stars, with customers confirming that the device is not as advertised and still requires an active SIM card to function. All in all, it's wise to steer clear of these free internet myths and stick to a reputable provider. Unless, of course, you enjoy paying a premium for a glorified paperweight that does absolutely nothing.